Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2015 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, security system, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.